Hello everyone, welcome to Study Time. In this video, we are going to see Class 5 Computer Chapter 3 Working in Excel. The minimum level of learning is children should able to create a sheet with his or her own name. In this chapter, we'll be learning creating or deleting sheets, renaming sheets, copying or moving sheets, inserting new row and column, deleting or hiding the rows and columns, changing the width and height of a column and row, find and select the data given in a range. In view menu, we'll be seeing grid lines, freeze panes, view side by side, synchronous scrolling. All these we'll be seeing in this chapter. Let us get into the chapter now. So this is Microsoft Excel. Excel is a spreadsheet program that allows you to store, organize and analyze information. In this chapter, you learn more about MS Excel 2007 environment. So this is Excel. So let us see what is a worksheet. A worksheet is a collection of cells where you keep and manipulate the data. So here each box is a cell. A worksheet is the collection of cells. By default, each Excel has 3 worksheets. So you can see sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. So let us see how to create or delete a sheet. If you want to create a sheet, here you have an option insert worksheet. If you click that, you will be able to create a new worksheet. So here first it was only 3 worksheet. Now you can see 5 worksheet. So you can insert a worksheet. If you want to insert a worksheet between sheet 1 and sheet 2, then you can do that also. Click on the particular sheet. Then if you click insert, if you click OK, then a new sheet is inserted between sheet 1 and sheet 2. Next, we'll see how to rename a file. So I'm going to rename sheet 1. So click on sheet 1, or you can double click on it, class 5. So I have renamed it as class 5. Then we'll see copying or moving a sheet. Suppose if I want to move class 5 to other place, click on the particular sheet, move or copy. So where you want to move class 5, you want to move it at the end, you can do that also. Or moving of sheet. So you can directly drag here and put it in the first, or drag here and put it at the last. That way also you can do. Next we'll see inserting new row and column. Suppose you have 10, 20, 30 datas here. I want to insert 40 here. After 10, I have to insert 40. So click on the particular cell, then click insert. So insert, you want to insert shift cells right, shift cells down, or entire row or entire column, you can choose. So I'm going to choose shift cells down. So then you can insert 40 here. Suppose if I want to delete or hide the row. So I want to delete this 40 now. So here I have few more numbers, 39, 41. So here I have 9, here I have 11. So I want to delete this entire row. So click on the particular row, then click delete entire row. If you want, you can delete entire row. So if you want to hide, if I want to hide this 20, I can also do hide. So click on the particular row, then click hide. So here 20 is hidden. So if you want to again make it visible, so you can choose unhide, so that those rows which are hidden will be unhidden. So next, let us see how to change the length and width of the specific column and row. So each cell has predefined length. Suppose if you want to increase the size, so click. So here you have to select format, in column width. So by default it is 8.09. If you want, you can change here to 10. So again, if you want to change row height, by default this is 14.5. If I want to change it to 20, I can do that also. So find and select the data in the given range. Suppose for example, subject and marks are given. So subject A, subject B, subject C. Here the marks are 44, 55 and 66. I want to search a given some number here. So what can I do is, I can find, Control F and find here. So this way you can find a data. Suppose if you want to filter, so here you can apply filter, data filter. If you want to select only A subject, you can do that. So if you want to know whoever got only 44 marks, that you can do. So you can also write formula here. Next we'll see view menu. So under view you can see grid lines. So grid lines are the faint lines that appear around cells. So these are used to distinguish cells on the worksheet. So you will not get these grid lines on your printed copy. So hide grid lines on a worksheet. How to hide grid lines on a worksheet we'll see. So if you want grid lines, you can check the option here. If you want hide, you can unclick it. Next we'll see freeze panes. So I'll remove this and we'll see freeze panes. Under data, under view, you have to use freeze panes. So when you freeze pane, when you click that, so this whole column will be freezed. Freeze first column. So freeze top row. So whenever I go down, the top subject marks will be freezed and it will not be invisible. So if you want to unlock, you can unlock freeze panes. That is also possible. View side by side. On View tab in Windows group, click New Window. So here you can see New Window. Click on that. On the View tab you can use this view side by side. So in this way you can use windows or worksheets side by side. Next we'll see what is synchronous scrolling. If you want to compare data simultaneously throughout the Excel files, to do that there is an option called synchronized scrolling. So here, so this synchronized scrolling, if you click, when you scroll, you will see both windows are scrolling. See, both windows are scrolling. That is what is synchronous scrolling. So all these options are under view. So next we'll see assignment from this chapter. Create 5 worksheets, workbook, and name it as first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Second one is design a worksheet with serial number, number of name of a student, marks obtained, column, and filled the data for at least 20 students. Find the records having marks between 50 to 60. So this is the assignment for you from this Excel. So this is all about this chapter, chapter 3 from computer. So we'll see in the next video. Hope this video is useful and understanding. Thanks for watching.